How to return Shein items. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to return your Shein products or item that you have ordered from your Shein account. So first of all, just simply open your Shein account. You can download the official app of the Shein application, or you can open your Shein account in the web browser like I'm doing right here. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, in order to return the item that you have purchased, just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And from there, you will be able to see the option called My Orders. Just simply click on View All. And over here, you will be able to see the top menu where you can see unpaid, processing, shipped, and reviews and returns, etc. So these are the different options available for you. So for example, if you have ordered things from Shein, you will be able to see whether they are proceeding or the item has been shipped or not. But if you have purchased order, you will be able to see the list of items that you have purchased in the past. So in order to return those items, just simply go to the return section and tap on it. And over here, you will be able to see the list of the product that you have returned in the past. So in order to return the product that you have just received from your Shein account, just simply click on the headphone icon from the delete section from the top right corner. And over here, just simply start talking to the Shein customer support and explain them that the item that you have purchased from your Shein account is defaulted or is not up to the mark. And after that, the Shein customer support team will reach out to you and help you return the product that you have purchased from your Shein account. So that's how you will be able to return items on Shein. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.